Welcome back. Once the ride comes to a complete stop, please lift up on your safety restraint and exit carefully to your right down the rail, taking all personal belongings left in the bins. Thank you for riding. Boarding guests, step carefully into the seats directly in front of you and pull the harness down over your head and shoulders and onto your lap. If you're not riding at this time, please take a step back. The gates are now closing.
Scan platform. Platform 2.
Put my heart and soul into that.
Harness the speed and strength of 5 Roman gods as you conquer Pantheon.
Oh shit!